guys! It is time for a new, no heat, super quick and simple hairstyle that looks really pretty, and I haven't seen many people do things like this out on the streets or even online. So it is this really cute knotted updo. There's actually no braiding involved, it's all knotting of the hair. I would not recommend this for curly ladies because it might tangle your hair, but if your hair is straight then this is something you can definitely do. Super quick, super simple and really pretty, so let's get started. Before we begin, I just wanted to mention that I am wearing one strip of hair extensions just to give my hair a little bit more fullness for this hairstyle. You don't need them if your hair is full of its own. I'm first going to make sure that I have a nice little center parting going on. Mine's a bit messy at the moment, so let's straighten that out. And then next I'm going to take a chunk of hair from this side, the front, and then on the other side as well, like that. And I am going to cross the right strand over the left one and then tie a knot. Just like that. Pull it tight. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin, and first I'm going to secure the bottom strand, so the right one right here, by just sliding a pin right underneath there. And then I'm going to take another pin and then I'm going to slide in right here on the other side. Alright, so now my knot stays on its own, and I'm going to continue by taking two new pieces of hair from the front here, and I'm going to add the two strands that I just had in my knot as well, and then do the exact same thing. So I'm going to cross right over left, tie a knot, pull it tight, and then secure this with two bobby pins. So I'm going to slide one in right here to hold down this strand, and then slide one in on the other side to hold down this strand. And then I'm going to repeat the same process. So I'm going to take a little bit more hair, add the two sections that I was already working with, cross right over left, tie a knot, pull it tight, and I'm going to keep doing this all the way down my hair. So take a bit more hair, tie a knot, alright, so I've now reached the nape of my neck, so now I'm just going to take all the rest of my hair, split it into two, and then do one more knot, right over left, pull this tight, and then I am going to kind of gather all of my hair together, like that, and kind of twist it around my thumb to create a little roll. Just slide that off there. And this roll I am going to tuck underneath this last knot that I have here. And then I'm going to take a few more bobby pins again and slide them underneath to secure that little roll of hair that I have just tucked away. So I'm going to go in with bobby pins from both sides. And then you should be left with something like this. So now this is the result that you get if you cross right over left every time. So you can also alternate the strands that you cross over first. So let me just show you what this looks like when you cross right over left first and then cross left over right in the next round. Now most of the process is exactly the same. So I'm going to start by taking two sections on the front here. So I'm gonna start by crossing right over left, just like we did the first time. Secure this with two bobby pins. Then I'm going to take more hair, and this time I'm going to cross left over right. and secure this again. So I'm always securing the bottom strand first, just so that it doesn't slip out. That's kind of the most vulnerable one. When you tie your hair in a knot like this, I'm gonna slide my pin in here first and then do the other side right here. Okay, so let's grab more hair. And this time I'm going to do right over left again. And then cross left over right. Right over left. And then I'm gonna end it the same way, so just twist the hair and tuck it away. And then here's what it looks like when you alternate directions. So it's a little bit of a different look. It's a little bit more symmetrical in a way. Just as easy to do and really cute. So there is your super quick and easy, no heat, no fuss, knotted updo. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more hair tutorials. If you would like to support me on Patreon, I will have a link in the description box below. Thank you so much. There will be another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!